Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay? Good morning. I'm going to present the importance of phonics instruction in early elementary. First, we got to think about what is phonics. Phonics is a method of teaching students to read by correlating sounds with letters or groups of letters in an alphabetic writing system. Now let's talk about phonics instructions. Phonics instructions should be systematic and explicit, which means systematic and explicit instruction is the direct teaching of a set of letter sounds relationship in a clearly defined sequence. The set includes the major sound and spelling relationship of both consonants and vowels. And I gave an example because most of our kids do not realize that the letter A have two different sounds, and plus the letter A is a vowel. So therefore we have a short vowel sound and a long vowel sound. And I gave you all an example. Short vowel sound, we have to teach our kids that it makes the sound ah, as in the word apple. And also the long vowel sound, the vowel just says its name, which is A, as in the word apron. Excuse me for the technical difficulties. Okay, let's continue to talk about phonics instruction. Systematic and explicit instructions allow students to decode words by using the letter-sound relationship and give them an opportunity to spell words and write their own stories with the letter-sound relationship they are learning. Lastly, we need to teach our kids about the difference between phonemes and graphemes. Phonemes is the smallest unit of speech distinguishing one word or word element from another. For example, the word tap. What you have to do with your kids, you would have to teach them the sounds of the letters. For example, I would say tap, and then I would ask the kids to make the sound. We're going to tap it out together. They would say ah. Then they would say tap. That's phonemes are only sounds. Now let's talk about graphemes. Grapheme is the smallest meaningful unit in a writing system, which are letters. For an example, I did the word slap. Again, with your students, you would say the word slap. Then you would get them to tap the sounds out, which would be s, ah, p. Then they would say slap. And also you would get them to write the word down on their paper. They would write S-L-A-P. And I also gave them a picture example because kids learn by seeing as well. This is an activity that you could do with your kids. The only thing you would have to do for this, we're going to use the word clap. You would say the word clap, then you would tap the sounds in the words, and you would ask them how many syllables are in the word. They would tell you. And then you would say, now I want you to write clap on your paper. And they would write the word clap on their paper. This activity is very systematic and explicit, meaning, and you would have to do this on a daily basis. But the benefits of systematic and explicit instructions is that kindergarten and first grade students who receive systematic and explicit instructions are better at reading and spelling words than kindergarten and first grade students who do not receive systematic and explicit instructions. Thank you for being here and giving me the opportunity to present my presentation over phonics instruction, because as teachers, we really have to get in front of our kids' academics as far as reading, because reading plays a very important part in our children's academic achievement. But phonics is the base of reading, so we really got to teach phonics daily and with fidelity.